The wait for the iPad 12th generation has reached a fever pitch, and with May 2026 bringing us a flood of unprecedented leaks, it is clear that Apple is about to redefine what we expect from standard tablet. For years, the base model iPad has been a reliable workhorse of the lineup, but the information surfacing from supply chains in Asia and internal whispers at Cupertino suggests a shift so radical it might actually threaten the iPad Air's existence. We are looking at a complete architectural overhaul that moves beyond simple incremental updates, aiming to bridge the gap between casual consumption and professional-grade performance. The rumors indicate a device that doesn't just keep up with the modern era, but anticipates the next 5 years of mobile computing, integrating hardware that was previously reserved for the most expensive machines in Apple's catalog. As we peel back the layers of these May 2026 leaks, it becomes evident that Apple is no longer playing it safe with the entry-level model, and the implications for the tech market are massive. The most shocking revelation in these latest reports centers on the display technology, which has long been the primary compromise of the base iPad. According to highly credible sources, Apple is finally abandoning the non-laminated display that has defined the budget iPad for a decade. Instead, the 12th generation is rumored to feature a stunning 11-inch Liquid Retina display with significantly narrowed bezels, bringing its aesthetic perfectly in line with the high-end Pro models. But the real game-changer is the potential inclusion of a high refresh rate panel. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. While we have traditionally seen promotion technology limited to the Pro series, competitive pressure from mid-range Android tablets has forced Apple's hand, leading to a modified 90 Hz or 120 Hz refresh rate that will make every swipe, scroll, and animation feel buttery smooth. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. It fundamentally changes how the device feels in hand, making it a viable tool for digital artists and gamers who previously found the 60 Hz limitation a deal breaker. Under the hood, the iPad 12 is expected to skip a generation and land directly on the A18 chip, the same silicon powering the latest flagship iPhones. This move is strategic, driven by Apple's aggressive push into on-device artificial intelligence and neural engine capabilities. By equipping the base iPad with the A18, Apple ensures that Apple Intelligence features are not just a luxury for Pro users, but a standard experience across the board. This means real-time language translation, advanced photo manipulation, and predictive workflows will run natively on the device without the lag typically associated with entry-level hardware. The thermal management system has also been reportedly redesigned, utilizing a new graphite-based cooling sheet that allows the chip to maintain peak performance during intensive tasks like 4K video editing or multi-track music production. This is the first time we are seeing an entry-level tablet capable of handling professional workloads with this level of efficiency, effectively turning the iPad 12 into a powerhouse that belies its expected price point. Battery life and connectivity are also seeing a major overhaul in these May 2026 leaks. With the move to the A18's 3nm process, the efficiency gains are projected to push the iPad's legendary 10-hour battery life closer to 14 or 15 hours on a single charge. This is coupled with a move to a more versatile USB-C port that supports faster data transfer speeds, allowing for quicker backups and better external monitor support. For the first time, we are hearing rumors of MagSafe charging coming to the iPad, utilizing a magnetic array on the back that could allow for a new ecosystem of magnetic stands and chargers, perhaps even turning the iPad into a dedicated HomeKit hub when it's docked. In terms of cellular connectivity, the iPad 12 will likely feature a new 5G modem that is more energy efficient and capable of maintaining stable connections in low-signal areas, making it the ultimate travel companion for those who work on the go. The camera system, often an afterthought on tablets, is receiving a surprising amount of attention in this year's leaks. The front-facing camera is officially moving to the landscape edge, a change that users have been demanding for years. This ensures that during video calls, you're looking directly at the camera rather than off to the side, making it a much more natural experience for Zoom, FaceTime, and Microsoft Teams. On the rear, we are expecting a 12-megapixel sensor with improved low-light performance and the ability to record 4K video at 60 frames per second. While most people don't use their iPad as their primary camera, these improvements are vital for document scanning and augmented reality applications, which Apple continues to view as a core pillar of the iPad experience. The integration of a LiDAR light sensor is even being whispered about, which would significantly enhance the speed and accuracy of AR placement, opening up new possibilities for students and interior designers alike.